kind of dark, you guys, but we're in the Camaro. We're gonna go do some more road racing, see how it is, see what the car could do still. I know you guys saw the last video, and there was the CTSV was pretty fast out there. There was a Whipple 5.0 too, full bolt-ons, but he didn't. I was waiting for him, and we didn't line it up, so that's unfortunate. There was also a Trackhawk too that I wanted to see what my car would do, but same thing, they didn't line it up. There was other C6 out there, but yeah, fortunately I didn't get that many runs. Only with the CTSV we did three runs, and then the two of my friends, that's all we did. They just wanted to see where they at with my car, and it's all just fun and games, just to have fun, and then pretty much come back with cars and stuff. So today we're gonna go full up with E. Hopefully I could set up my GoPro up and pick up the homie. I haven't seen this guy for a while. He's gonna be passenger for me, and hopefully he could get the footage his, and then I'll get the footage with the GoPro too. But it should be fun. Hopefully there's some fun cars out there, and see what the cars would do. I am gonna post my wins and losses, doesn't matter. Like I said, I'm just here just to have fun and pretty much put out content for you guys, and that's about it. I'm not here to be claimed the fastest or anything. I'm just trying to have fun, and especially if my car comes back one piece, then more than happy. So far it's been taking the beating, having fun. Alice Fest is coming up this week, so you guys get ready for that too. I'm not sure if we're gonna try to do something to try to figure out the launch, or just leave it alone and see what we could do. See, we could at least drop that 60 foot. We could drop that 60 foot. We could see what the car will a little bit do. And I know you guys that are real track people, you guys could see by doing the math and stuff, and you guys could figure out probably what the car should be making. But like I said, with our launch only being at 4K, then we're kind of limited. But yeah, so let's get on going. Damn, my fingers on the camera. Get on going. Hopefully he comes out soon, and we just head on out. So see you guys in a bit. So we're out here. Apparently there's not that many cars. It's mostly bikes. So let's see what the car could actually do with some 1000. It's a 1000 right there, BMW. That's our CBR 600, R1M, R1. So like I said, we'll see how it goes. How fast are you trying to go? 40? 40? hit. next day, guys. I'm ready to work, taking the daily. But I didn't get to finish the pretty much the outro. As you guys can see, pretty much the bikes were the only real. I'm not trying to say I'm the fastest on it, but at least I was able to see what my bike, what my car do against leader bikes, and I'm nowhere near any of these guys yet. So you guys could kind of see how pretty much my car is really compared to them. So that actually motivates me that with my little simple setup, there's still ways to go, and I still plan on doing a few more things. Hopefully, it's not as bad. But that BMW is super fast. Damn, it looks like he doesn't even have to try, and he gaps me badly. But other than that, hopefully you guys enjoy that little small little cruise road racing that we did in Mexico, and plan to keep doing more like this. Trying to save up so I could get a 360 or even one of those cameras, the one with the stick in the back. You get all that view. That's what I'm trying to get to. So like I said, I'm trying to pretty much invest in more camera equipment. Luckily, like I said, I had somebody with me, the homie Mike, infamous. He pretty much been, in my car, and he has found every setup I have done to this car. So he finally got the opportunity to actually test out this setup. Not that I'm gonna tire, because most of the time I wasn't a tire for my first setup. The second setup I wasn't, so he didn't really feel it. I was just spinning everywhere. But now he was able to feel it, and he was shocked too, that how fast the car is. So like I said, I still got plenty of more things to do, and so stay tuned. I'm still thinking of what else I need to do, but we'll see what more things I get done to the car, and try to get this the launch so I could get a better time, and hopefully get a better 60 foot and actually see what the car will actually do at the track. And yeah, pretty much that's it, guys. Hope you guys enjoy. Like, subscribe, share, please, and catch you guys on the next one.